Like the surface, how it's real rough over here when I do that. And this is rock hard, by the way, that's not gonna move. And so this is just the kind of ground that I like to do is sanded grout. So I use a little bit of Mod Podge, a little bit of water, a little bit of alcohol that breaks the surface tension so that the Mod Podge and the water soak in. But that gives me, I think, a nice surface to start. It still needs to be painted. It's just not the color. Everything is very monotone at this point. And there needs to be something that breaks that up, to give it definition, to give it, a little bit of contrast. These streaks are fantastic. I think they came out great. They need to be enhanced as well. So I'm going to be doing some washes. I'm not sure if I'll do oil. I'm not sure. I don't know. It'll probably be acrylic. I like weathering with acrylic. I've tried to, I'm going to get this guy out of here. I've tried weathering with oil and it's just, I feel very comfortable with acrylic. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I've got ladders, I've got duck boards, I've got all manner of stuff to do to this thing still. But I just wanted to kind of give you a look at the progress up until this point.